Hello, good morning. It's just about good morning still. It's Friday the 20th of January 2023. This is part 3 of my investigations and survey of the cycling routes around Nuneaton. I'm here at Whittleford Park and I'm going to look at this area, the Camp Hill estates up there, Whittleford over this way, and there's a sort of a valley really. It's quite steep over there, as you can see, and there's water that runs through here. I'm not saying a definite stream, but there's certain waterways, but they have actually provided a lot of ways for people to walk and to cycle. So, and I must admit, I've not explored this that much before. So let's have a look. Well, the first thing to say is it looks very nice. The cycleway pathway here, look, it's quite wide, it's a good surface, and it's clear. Looks good so far. These barriers are quite effective. They stop people coming on the pathways with sort of off-road motorbikes. Everywhere looks very well maintained. The bridge is in good condition, look, and in the summer it must be absolutely delightful along here. I have mentioned in the other videos, a bell on a bicycle is very important. It's very easy to use, it's not aggressive, everybody knows what it is. Every bike should have one. So this is really quite a long stretch of really decent cycleway as we reach Bucks Hill, and then we turn left onto what is a fairly new estate. Oh, and here's a gentleman on an electric bike. Good for him. Now on this new estate I've nearly reached the point of Plough Hill Road, and this is a place called Black Track, and it is clearly an old railway track which is turned into a very acceptable walkway at the back of all these houses, and here you can see some of the remnants of what would be railway bridges and so on. Now there was a colliery at Galley Common, and no doubt this railway linked it with Nuneaton and transported the coal. And on this bridge here, which we're going under, which is now completely disused of course, are some very fine pieces of artwork showing the history of the mining activity that was in this area. I don't know about you, but on this fine winter's morning, I'm really enjoying this ride. I have to confess I've never been along this path before, and so I'm curious to know exactly where it is. And as I finish on this long stretch, it looks like it's called Whitell Pool, if that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, really enjoyed it. And again, as I pass under this old railway line through this tunnel, I'm heading up towards Kingswood Road, which is another one of the major roads going in and out of Nuneaton. That was nice. I explored some of the cycleways and pathways at the bottom of Camp Hill and Whittleford, and Whittleford Park. I've stopped now. I know where I am now. The Lamb and Flag pub is over there, and this is the Whittleford Road. And yeah, it was really quite pleasant. I'm not so sure that they are commuting routes. Maybe they are. But they are there. They're cycleways and walkways. People are walking dogs. But I did see three people on bicycles. Two were on electric bikes. One fellow with a load of shopping on the back. So, yeah, they were used. And that's what I want to see more of. Shall I give it a score out of 10? Well, I don't know. It's pretty good, actually. I'll give it a 7. For what they were, at least a 7. Yeah, possibly 8. Yes, I enjoyed that. It's an area I didn't know of. And in the summer, even nicer. But it's a nice bright day today, and people are enjoying the walks with their dogs and what have you. Very good. Well, you know what? I think that could be it. That's part 3 of the walkways and cycleways around Nuneaton. Overall, could do a lot better in some places, but made a bit of an effort in others. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's see if we can do a bit more though, particularly on the main routes into town where the roads are. That's what I'd like to see changed. Thank you very much for watching this, and if you did enjoy this video and any others, please subscribe to my channel and give it a kick of a like, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.